In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in 97-2003 format in Excel. If you need to share a spreadsheet with someone using an older version of Excel, saving your file in the Excel 97-2003 format is a quick and useful option. This older format creates a file with the .xls extension instead of the newer .xlsx format, which can improve compatibility with older systems and software. To begin, open Excel and make sure the workbook you want to save is already on your screen. Once you're in the correct file, move to the top left area of the Excel window and click File. This opens the main file menu where you'll find options for saving, printing, sharing, and more. From there, click Save As. This is the option you'll use when you want to create a saved version of the file in a specific location or in a different format. After selecting Save As, choose where you want the file to be stored. For example, you might save it to your computer, a specific folder, or another location you use for your workbooks. Picking the right location now makes the file easier to find later. Next, enter a file name. If the workbook already has a name, you can keep it or change it depending on your needs. It can be helpful to use a name that clearly shows this is the older format version, especially if you plan to keep both the modern and older copies of the same spreadsheet. Now look for the Save as Type field. Click the drop-down menu next to it to view the available file formats. In that list, select Excel 97-2003 Workbook. This is the format specifically designed for older Excel versions. Once selected, Excel may show a compatibility warning in some cases, especially if your workbook includes newer features that may not work the same way in the older format. If that happens, just review the message and continue if this format is what you need. Finally, click Save. Excel will then create the workbook in the 97-2003 format. After saving, you can confirm it worked by looking at the file extension, which should now be .xls. That's all it takes. Opening your file, going to File, choosing Save As, selecting a location, entering a file name, changing the file type to Excel 97-2003 Workbook, and clicking Save will give you a version that's more compatible with older Excel software. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.